Hi, welcome back to Scrapwood Andy's workshop. Today I'm going to do a project that I haven't done for 36, 37 years. I'm going to challenge myself today. Last time I did one was at night school in 85, 86. What I'm going to try and do is turn a small trinket box with a lid. So we're going to have a go at that. I'm going to challenge myself, so I'm going to get it all set up on the lathe and everything, and it could turn out alright and it could turn out a total disaster. So, but we'll have a go and see how it turns out. Right, we've mounted it all up now. I'm going to turn it around. I've put it on the lowest speed, so we'll see how we go. Right, I've turned it around. Right, we're going to put a 10 on each end. So I think it's about £10mm deep. My chuckers. And what's it? So I can get it to the right diameter as my chuck. So I've turned the speed up to full now, so we'll get that set up. I'll get me right, mark these out. Can't see that one very well. Where is it? Right, I've measured, I've put it into the chuck, so I've left a 20mm gap at the bottom. For the bottom itself I've done 60, then I've left 5mm for where I'm parting it, and then I have got a 30mm for the lid bit. So the overall length of the pot minus that is going to be about there. So we shall get these all marked round. We'll see how we go. I'm probably doing it totally wrong, but like I say, it's about 36, 37 years since I last did one of these, so we shall see. Right, let's get them marked up. There. So, right. Yes, what I'm going to do is get that parted, I think, yes. Put it back in the chuck. I can do the bottom part, and then we'll do the lid. I think that's the best way. Right, I've chopped it off, put it back in the chuck. What I'm going to use now is a carbide tool. I have never used one before, so I've always used wood turning chisels, so this is going to be a first as well. So we'll see how we go. This is the bottom part, so I'll get my mask back on and we'll take it from there. Right, the lid's going to fit on there. We will start hollowing it out. So we'll get that. Change the square carbide for a round one, and we'll see how we go. We shall see how we go with this. I think that's about centre, so keep it straight. All a learning curve this is. I think we'll change to the flat bit again now and change the position of the lighting as well. Right, I've hollowed it out, as you can see. I've just got to get a good sanding inside. So yes, I'm quite pleased with that. Like I say, it's a bit rough, but not bad, not bad. I'll just get a sandpaper in, and what I'll do, we'll get the lid bit on then, and then because we've got to jam it onto there so I can smooth it all round in one then, and yes, it's coming on quite nice. So right, I'll get a bit of sandpaper and just sandpaper the inside. Right, I've got the lid in now. I've done the bottom part, I've waxed the inside, so that'll go back into the chuck once I've done the lid, so I can push it on to make sure I get a good fit and everything. So we'll get this flattened out a bit, and then we can make sure we get a good fit with it. Then we'll get a sand down, and yes, it's getting there, it's getting there. Probably doing it totally wrong, I'm doing it, but yes, I'm quite enjoying doing this. So we'll get this turn now to get this flat. Right, we'll keep going, and a bit rough at the edges, but I should be able to sand that down a bit. so we can get the right size for it to fit. So we'll keep on going now. Right, I've got it cut down, hollowed out, and I don't think that's bad. Now I've just got to smooth it all down. Well, I'll put the tailstock back on, get it all, and we'll get it all sanded down, and yes, saying he hasn't done that in such a long time, that's not bad at all. So we'll get the tailstock back on and give it a good sanding. Right, here it is. So I didn't think I've done too bad. There's a few gaps round it, there is, but saying I haven't done one for 36, 37 years, I didn't think they were that too bad. So I'll put a bit of beeswax on it. I've just got to polish it up a bit now, but yeah, goes together nicely. Sanded it down. It is a bitter Leylandii tree, this is, from last year, so it dried out very nicely, so yes, I'm quite pleased with that. At least it didn't break on me. So yes, I've got another log saying from that to that, not too bad. So yes, I am quite pleased. So that's what you should do. Challenge yourself to something you haven't done for such a long time. Even if it's going back to school, where you used to have woodwork classes and make what you used to make there. Just challenge yourself, and yeah, pretty good. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I shall see you all on the next video. Bye for now.